This old guy DIY technique has to do with eliminating the rattle that you oftentimes hear when you're dragging a trailer. So with the trailer hitch installed as you would normally have it, if I were driving with a trailer, you'd hear and over time that gets pretty irritating. So my solution is to take a 4-inch muffler clamp. That's just a standard 4-inch clamp like you get at your local muffler shop or eBay. And I'll show you how I install it. So to install this clamp without taking the clamp off completely, you just put it along the edge of the hitch. Insert the hitch as you normally would. And then slide the clamp back. And what we're trying to do is just let gravity be our friend. We're pulling down on this against the receiver hitch. So now I'll tighten this thing up and be back to you and show you how nice and quiet it is. Now with that 4-inch muffler clamp installed, there's absolutely no play between the receiver hitch itself and the part that's on the truck. And I can shake the whole truck around. And I dragged a 3,000 pound trailer for 18 hours over the last week with this setup, and it worked out beautifully. And when you go to change balls or drop hitch assemblies, you just loosen up the nuts on each side of the muffler clamp. So it's a quick and easy solution, very cost effective, and it works well. Have a nice day.